Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna recreate with you this look on the gold and the blue tones with the shiny lips. I hope you like it guys, and please, if you like, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. See you in my next video, bye! So guys, for this tutorial I will start with my crease, and I'm gonna blend these two colors, this light and darkish brown, from my feminine palette of Mulak, and I will use an angle brush. Then with a clean blending brush I'm gonna blend everything. So now for my eyelid I'm gonna take rich ground from MAC, and I will use this gel liner as a base from my shadow. So I will take a small brush and I'm gonna apply this color only in the outer V of my eye and the inner corner of the eye. Left the central part of the eye just blank. Okay, now with the same brush I'm gonna take half baked this goldish color, this gold color from my Naked True palette, and I'm gonna apply this only on the gel liner base that we applied just before. So now I will take a concealer and a brush, and I'm gonna clean this central part of the eyelid that we left blank. And from my feminine palette of Urban Decay, I'm gonna hijack this blue metallic color, and I'm gonna apply this with my finger just in this part of the eyelid where we apply the concealer. Now I will go back to half baked, the gold color, with the brush, and I'm gonna tap this color all over the eyelid on the blue shadow that we just applied, because I don't really like this big difference between the gold and the blue. I just want something really bland. So I'm gonna take and just tap it over the blue eyeshadow. Now again with the hijack and my finger. Again with the half baked. Now I will take a flat brush and I'm gonna take Lost from my feminine palette, which is this brownish metallic color, and I'm gonna apply here in the outer V of the eye. I will highlight my inner corner with vanilla pigment from MAC, black eyeliner. So now, as I highlight under my brows, I'm gonna take this skimp, this white color with a bit of gold glitter, and I'm gonna apply under my brows. Now for the lower lid, I'm gonna take Blackout from Naked Truth, which is this black color, and I'm gonna mix it with hijack, the metal blue color. So this is the final result for the eye. And now, so for the cheek I'm gonna use Melba blush from MAC, and then this highlighter from Mulak. So now for the lips I'm gonna take She's Shiny from MAC, and I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna tap Impassioned from MAC all over the top.